Welcome to Brain Challenges. Today's challenge is a mental math speed test with 40 fast questions. You will have only 5 seconds to answer each one. No calculator, no pause, just pure brain speed. If you score 32 or more, your mental math skills are above average. If you score 36 or more, you have elite level calculation speed. Let's start with the easy round. Question 1. What is 7 plus 8? The correct answer is 15. Question 2. What is 12 minus 5? The correct answer is 7. Question 3. What is 6 times 3? The correct answer is 18. Question 4. What is 20 divided by 4? The correct answer is 5. Question 5. What is 9 plus 6? The correct answer is 15. Question 6. What is double of 11? The correct answer is 22. Question 7. What is half of 40? The correct answer is 20. Question 8. What is 18 minus 9? The correct answer is 9. Question 9. What is 4 times 5? The correct answer is 20. Question 10. What is 30 divided by 3? The correct answer is 10. Great warm-up. Now let's move to the medium round. Question 11. What is 45 minus 19? The correct answer is 26. Question 12. What is 14 times 2? The correct answer is 28. Question 13. What is 25% of 80? The correct answer is 20. Question 14. What is 3 squared plus 4 squared? The correct answer is 25. Question 15. What is 72 divided by 8? The correct answer is 9. Question 16. What is 90 minus 55? The correct answer is 35. Question 17. What is 3 times 14? The correct answer is 42. Question 18. What is 15% of 200? The correct answer is 30. Question 19. What is 0.5 plus 0.75? The correct answer is 1.25. Question 20. What is 60 divided by 5? The correct answer is 12. Nice work. Now get ready for the hard round. Question 21. What is 17 times 3? The correct answer is 51. Question 22. What is 48 divided by 6? correct answer is 8. Question 23. What is 120% of 50? The correct answer is 60. Question 24. What is 0.4 multiplied by 0.5? The correct answer is 0.2. Question 25. What is 125 divided by 5? The correct answer is 25. Question 26. What is 36 plus 48? The correct answer is 84. Question 27. What is the square root of 144? The correct answer is 12. Question 28. What is 3.5 plus 2.8? The correct answer is 6.3. Question 29. What is 28% of 100? The correct answer is 28. Question 30. What is 250 divided by 0.5? The correct answer is 500. You've reached the final extreme round. Question 31. What is 19 times 4? The correct answer is 76. Question 32. What is 78 minus 39? The correct answer is 39. Question 33. What is 2.5 times 6? The correct answer is 15. Question 34. What is 15 squared? The correct answer is 225. Question 35. What is 33% of 300? The correct answer is 99. Question 36. What is 0.75 times 0.40? The correct answer is 0.3. Question 37. What is 90 divided by 1.5? The correct answer is 60. Question 38. What is the square root of 81 plus 4? The correct answer is 13. Question 39. What is 56 times 2? The correct answer is 112. Question 40. What is 150 minus 37? The correct answer is 113. Congratulations for completing the mental math speed test. How many questions did you get correct? If you scored 32 or more, your mental math speed is above average. If you scored 36 or more, you are truly exceptional. Thanks for watching Brain Challenges.